Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, sign in with password instead of PIN Windows 11. Click Start, Settings, click Accounts. Click Sign in Options. Click PIN Windows Hello. Click Remove in Remove Sign in option. Click Remove. Type password. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.